Hello! K.1! Welcome to IP English Time with your teacher, Teacher Lisa. It's time to learn about the small letter D, the lowercase d. But first, can you make the letter D sound? D. Yes, well done. And let's do a little review. Do you remember our letter D words? Letter D is for? Let's start with some vocabulary words. Do you know some letter D words? Let's have a look. Letter D. Letter D is for? Dog. Dog. Very good. And letter D is also for? Doll. Doll. Excellent. Our next letter D word. Letter D is for? Donut. Yummy. Can you repeat? Donut. Very good. We have one more letter D word. What is this? Letter D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Very good. You know some letter D words now. Let's learn how to write the small letter D, the lowercase d. Okay, if you are ready, put one finger up, please. And we will trace the small letter D in 2 steps. 1, 2. Small letter D. Let's trace one more time. One finger up, please. 1, 2. Okay, I think you are ready to write the lowercase d. So, let's take a piece of paper and a pencil or a color. We will write together. 1, 2. Small letter D. Let's do that again. 1, 2. Small letter D. Okay, kids, well done. You've learned how to write the lowercase d. It is time to play a game. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. I want you to have a look at these letters. Number 1 is letter B. Number 2 is letter D. Number 3 is letter A. And number 4 is letter C. Now, I want you to think. What is the first letter of the alphabet? We will put 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in the correct order. Okay, let's start. What is the first letter? Yes, correct. Number 3. Letter A is the first letter of the alphabet. So let's put letter A right here. Number 1. Okay, now let's think. What letter comes next? Correct. Letter B. Number 1, letter B, is the next letter of the alphabet. Okay, now we have A, B. What letter is next? Yes, letter C. Letter C is the next letter. Okay, let's put it at number 3. Now we only have one letter left. What is the next letter? Yes, letter D. Okay, now we have A, B, C, D. We put the letters in the correct order. Well done! Well done in today's lesson. You've learned all about the small letter D, the lowercase d. Do you remember the letter D sound? D, D, D. Very good. And you can recognize and write the small letter D. Very good. Thank you so much for watching and joining this lesson today. I will see you again next time. So for now, bye-bye. Goodbye.